If you have a Canon G3410, G3411, G3415, or G3416 printer, this video is for you. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to connect your printer to your phone and start printing wirelessly. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to Multifix. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up wireless printing on your Canon G3410, G3411, G3415, and G3416 printer using your smartphone. Just follow each step carefully, and you'll be ready to print photos and documents wirelessly in just a few minutes. Step 1. Enable wireless setup. First, turn on your printer. Now press the direct button once. Then press the information button. The printer will print a wireless information page. On this page, you will find the printer's Wi-Fi network name and password. Keep this page safe because we will need it in the next step. Step 2. Install Canon Print app. Now take your smartphone and download the Canon Print app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Installing the app, first connect your phone to the printer's Wi-Fi network using the password printed on the information page. Once connected, open the Canon Print app and allow all the necessary permissions. Step 3. Add the printer. Now tap on Add Printer or search for printer. The app will search for your Canon printer. Please wait a few seconds while the setup is completed. Perfect. As you can see, the printer is now connected successfully. Step 4. Test print. Now let's do a quick test print. Inside the Canon Print app, you can print photos, documents, scan files, and use many other useful features. Let's print a photo. Select your photo, choose the paper size, select the color settings, and then tap Print. Great! As you can see, the printer is printing perfectly. And that's it. This is how you can easily set up wireless printing on your Canon G3410, G3411, G3415, and G3416 printer using your smartphone. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Multifix for more printer tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and tech tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.